Hey there my YouTube fam, today I will be teaching you this look which known as Hello Eye Makeup. It seems so hard but I will try my best to teach you as a simple method as I can. This fluffy blending brush is from Morphe brushes. Taking this shade from Bperfect Cosmetics Daisy Mary Carnival palette named Influence. Starting off by applying the shade on my lid. Here I am building up some color and adding more shade gradually and blending the shade as I am adding more color to it. Same on the other eye. Making sure that both of my eye makeup is well blended. This blending brush is also from Morphe brushes. Taking the shade named Foolish, blending the harsh edges of the shade Influence. Same on the other eye. This pencil brush is from Morphe brushes. Taking the shade named Lights Out. Here I am drawing a semicircle kind of shape with the shade. Don't worry, we will blend it later, but now we are only applying. This small blending brush is from Morphe brushes. Taking the same shade and blending that black shade. Blending with the same old technique back and forth, and the movement of your brush will be in a circular motion. This flat rounded brush is from BH Cosmetics. Taking this LA Pro Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Ivory, and here I am drawing the same semicircle shape. Taking the shade named Statsty and apply on that area where we applied concealer before. Taking the same blending brush and shade, blending both the inner and outer V and dragging it to the center. This pencil brush is from drugstore brand, taking the shade named Fair Play, highlighting the inner corner of my eye and brow bone as well. Oh, I'm so sorry I forgot to shoot the lower lash line part. By the way, this is the complete look. I hope you will all like it. Like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.